video, we will learn how to calculate private income from national income. First of all, let us see what is private income. See, private income is the income received by private sector within and outside the country. Private sector means what? Private sector means income received by firms and the households. It includes the income of both the firms and the household. Now, within and outside the country, for calculating private income, we have to add these three components: factor income, transfer income, and net factor income from abroad. See, private income is the income received by private sector within and outside the country. To calculate the income received within the country, you are adding factor income and transfer income, okay? And to calculate the income which is received from outside the country, from rest of the world, we add into it the net factor income from abroad. Now, what is factor income? If you remember, in the income method, we calculated NDPFC by adding all the remuneration received by the factor services, that is a land, labor, capital and entrepreneurship. Okay, so when you add the factor payments, you get NDPFC. Now this NDPFC is divided into two parts. One is NDPFC accruing to government sector and NDPFC accruing to private sector. So since we are calculating the private income here, we will only take NDPFC accruing to private sector. Okay, so if in the question you are given NDPFC of the economy, total NDPFC, and if you are given NDPFC accruing to government sector, you are going to subtract the government sector income from the total NDPFC and you will get the income accruing to private sector. In this income, you are going to add transfer income. Transfer income is nothing but a gift or a help which the firms or the household receive from the government. Okay, now in this transfer income we include national debt interest. This can be given to you in three parts. Okay, national debt interest plus net current transfers from rest of the world, if any current transfers are received by the firm or the household from rest of the world, plus current transfers from government administrative department, and if from government the firm or household have received any transfer payments, that also we are going to add into this. In this you add net factor income earned from abroad. So these are the three components of private income. Another way in which private income can be written is this: private income will be national income minus NDPFC accruing to government sector plus transfer income. That is, if national income is given to you or if you are asked to calculate national income in the question, then from national income also you can calculate private income by subtracting NDPFC accruing to government sector and by adding into it the transfer income. You have to remember these formulas. And from personal income also you can calculate private income. Private income will be personal income plus corporate tax plus undistributed profit. Now let us solve a numerical on private income. See, we are to calculate private income from the following. We are given national debt interest, NDPFC accruing to government, transfer payment by government, net factor income from abroad, net national product at factor cost, that is NNP at FC, and net current transfer to abroad. So private income is equal to NNP at FC minus NDPFC accruing to government plus transfer income. Transfer income, I told you, includes three things: national debt interest, transfer by government administrative departments, and net current transfers from rest of the world. These three things, right? So now we will calculate personal income. An NPFC given to us is 1450 minus NDPFC accruing to government is 400 plus transfer income. National debt interest is 60, Transfer payment by government is 70. Net current transfer to abroad. Since it is not net current transfer from abroad, this is not what we are receiving, this is what we are paying. Okay, so this you will subtract. So you'll get rupees 1160 lakhs